Let's open our November monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. It is November, and since it is a new month, that also means it is time for the new monthly essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth. I love unboxing this recipe box every month and seeing what is inside. It is my favorite part to a new month. If you are new to the Simply Earth subscription box, let me tell you a little bit about it before we dig in. The box is $45 a month. It is a subscription, but you can cancel at any time. Inside you will find 4 full-size oils, and one is always an exclusive blend to Simply Earth. You will also receive 6 recipe cards as well as some extra goodies that are included to make those recipes. Along with your monthly essential oil recipe box, you will also get the big bonus box. And the big bonus box is absolutely free. It comes with your subscription every 6 months. So let's see what's inside our big bonus box. Now, in the months that you receive the big bonus box, your monthly kit will come inside like this. And on months when you just receive the recipe box, it will come shipped by itself in its own box. In the big bonus box, we have beeswax, and it's 100% pure. Whenever possible, everything at Simply Earth is 100% pure. We also have cold pressed coconut oil, almond oil, and fractionated coconut oil, so the liquid oil. Then we'll also get 6 dropper bottles because every month you get a diffuser recipe, and 6 roll-on bottles because every month you get a roll-on recipe. And you get all of that for $45 a month. And right now I have an exclusive coupon code just for you. If you go to simplyearth.com and enter in the code CRAFTYFREE, you will get a free $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. That means you can either buy one, get one free, or you can use that gift card to purchase other supplies in their shop. And that is such a fantastic offer. I am so excited that I get to give that to you. And one more thing I want to let you know about is 13% of the profits from Simply Earth go to end human trafficking. And that isn't just on the subscription boxes, that is site-wide. So I love that this is a cause that they stand behind. All right, it is time. Let's break that seal and open up our November monthly essential oil recipe box. I love this. Yay! All right, so we always get a little information sheet that tells us everything about what's inside, but I like to be surprised, so I'm going to set it aside. And we're going to start with our oils. We've got ylang ylang, and of course we have to smell them. Oh, I really like that. It kind of has a fruity yet woodsy smell. I really like that. Frankincense. Another earthy, woodsy smell. Focus. Now this is going to be their essential blend that is exclusive to Simply Earth. Ooh, I like that a lot. Has a little bit of peppermint in it. Peppermint's my favorite oil. And cassia. This one almost has some citrus in it. Oh, I love them. You need to get it just so you can smell them because I'm horrible at explaining what they smell like. Let's look at our extra goodies. We have a macrame mini kit, a test tube container. Ooh, and this is a little dropper bottle. It's a fancy dropper bottle. Some wood wicks, I'm assuming, and then a topper to a bottle. Take a look at our recipes. We have Cheerful Giver Roll-On, Winter Flower Bath Salts, Holiday Spice Diffuser Blend, Essential Oil Bottle Reed Diffuser, so that's what those are, our reeds, Mini Macrame Plant Hanger, and a Royalty Facial Serum. Those all sound so awesome. Now, along with the kit, we also get our matching stickers and our top of the bottle stickers. But then we also have labels for the roll-on, for the diffuser blend we make, as well as for the other recipes. So let's take a look. What is our theme? It is gift giving, our gift giving theme. And this also always tells you the value. And we are getting $304.50 for only $45, $44.99. Isn't that such a great deal? So make sure to visit simplyearth.com and enter in that code, TheCraftyFree, to receive your own $45 gift card with your first subscription box order. If you want more fun craft tutorial videos, make sure to visit thecraftyblogStalker.com. Thanks everyone. Bye and happy crafting.